Hello everyone, here are the major headlines for April 6, 2020. The US stock market futures jumped by 3% on Monday morning on improved market sentiment. Investors are beginning to get optimistic after the number of infection cases and deaths have been stabilized in New York, Italy and Spain over the weekend. The Asian Pacific stock markets followed the gains from the US futures. The Australian index led the gains by 4% while the Nikkei and Kospi rose by 2%. The Chinese markets are closed today because of a holiday. Crude oil prices opened the week with 6% losses after OPEC group postponed its virtual meeting initially scheduled for this Monday over a potential agreement to cut production. The meeting will take place on Thursday after the diplomatic blame game between Russia and Saudi Arabia during the weekend for the falling oil prices. The Japanese yen was a weaker currency across the board this morning as Japan is expected to declare a state of emergency as early as Tuesday to curb the rising infection cases in the country. The pound sterling extended last week's losses after British Prime Minister Boris Johnson had been taken to the hospital on Sunday following persistent coronavirus symptoms. Mr. Johnson was the first major government leader known to have contracted the disease. Looking ahead, major economic releases include the German factory orders, UK construction PMI and the Bank of Canada business outlook.